We're at the Abby Canucks game. This has been a dream venue. It's country night, so that's why I'm here, because
and it's a lot of work, really rewarding. And move an office, I go in.
we're doing sound check. Okay, so we had a green room and then we went up to the keg for happy hour and came back here and the green room is filled with a bunch of kids or something. Bruh. So I have to get ready as fast as I can now. Oh, I'm all dressed. Hopefully I can do this in like 10 minutes. Okay, let's get back. Here we go.
Everybody does.
And we actually are on in like 2 minutes.
In full
This is where I just played, and allegedly queues were going through the main street.
Strike! You're out! They got a touchdown!
Reporting live in 38 days from when I edit this. Boom, boom, boom! Alright, Jay wanted his own camera for the show because I can't film our set. We just absolutely robbed this place. She was like, our donuts all had to be thrown out. Do you want them? And I was like, sure. The film guy was only filming out of my face like this the whole night. Nothing a couple donuts won't fix. Today we're in the barn. The girls all bring a stick of gum with them. Milking. Hey, Queen! Alert, alert! We have Employee of the Month! Hey, Queen!
Why do cows have such long faces?
Today. Hi. How you guys doing? Hi. Is this your baby? Is he gonna walk? Oh, look at him go. Oh, babies. Good mama. Your eyes. You like those scratches? Your eyes. You like the pets? We're here in the house. Do we see this? It actually doesn't look that stupid on camera, but it looks very stupid. Let's look. So I got a new light fixture that's only gonna make it look semi-stupid. Okay, it's a new day because I realized you cannot change a light in the dark. It's too low. My hair's stuck to the freaking roof. Hello? This is the red one. And then ground wire to get the other. These screws are down there. This looks good. I'm gonna go flip the breaker in hopes that this... Okay, please tell me it worked. Oh my gosh, it didn't work. The lights are on. Is this a joke? Stop. Oh my gosh. It works. The switch just wasn't on. Okay, fabulous. Who drank all the freaking bubblies and didn't restock them in the fridge? Warm soda. Unscrew this. Ah! A dangerous little game. Sick. Can't do that. Ooh. Ooh, it definitely looks a lot better because it fits the whole table. A chandelier would obviously look so cool here, especially with my ceiling. But I don't have money for that.